In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio in HeyGen step by step. We'll walk through setting up your project, 3 simple ways to add narration or music, how to sync everything with an avatar, and how to preview and export with confidence. First, open HeyGen and sign in to your account. From the dashboard, start a new project by selecting Create Video, or open an existing one if you're continuing work. This puts you in the editor where all your audio options live. Next, choose your AI avatar. You can pick from the built-in options or select a custom avatar if you have one. Then choose a layout that pairs the avatar with your background. Any voice you add, whether AI text-to-speech or your own recording, will automatically drive lip sync for the avatar. If you want a quick, polished voiceover, use text-to-speech. Click inside the script or text box, then type or paste your script. Select a voice that fits your style, adjusting language and accent as needed. Hit preview to hear how it sounds and tweak speed or tone until it feels right. This approach is great for explainers, ads, tutorials, and other faceless content. Prefer to bring your own audio? Go to the audio or voice area and choose Upload Audio. Select your MP3 or WAV file and give it a moment to process. For best results, use clear, clean audio without background noise, and make sure the length closely matches your on-screen content so timing stays tight. You can also record directly in HeyGen. Click Record Voice, grant microphone access, and press Start Recording. Speak clearly and at a steady pace, then stop and preview the take. If you hear pops, stumbles, or room noise, simply re-record. A quiet environment and consistent mic distance make a big difference. Once your narration is in, HeyGen will automatically sync the avatar's lips. If anything feels off, lightly edit your script, re-upload a trimmed version of your audio, or add small pauses to smooth transitions. To add background music, open the background music section. Choose a track from the library or upload your own, and lower the volume so it sits behind the voice. Usually between 5 and 15% works well. Now preview the video. Listen for clarity, confirm lip sync, and check timing from start to finish. Make any quick tweaks, then you're ready to export. When you're happy, click Generate Video, wait for rendering to complete, and download or share your finished clip. And that's how to add audio in HeyGen step by step.